Generators and UPS systems. Reliable backup power is essential for today's critical power facilities. Our generators and UPS training delivers the knowledge to ensure continuous operation during power interruptions. At EFTI, our interactive live training equips electrical engineering and maintenance professionals with expert instruction that will enhance their expertise in backup power systems, from design to installation and troubleshooting. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, engineers, and technicians, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with large teams of electrical workers. These are the generators and UPS systems courses we offer. Emergency generators and standby power. Our course helps you learn generator operation, system integration, synchronizing, and maintenance strategies for emergency power applications. UPS system training. Our course helps you understand UPS topologies, size systems, maintain equipment, configure parameters, and establish reliable grounding practices. UPS battery testing and maintenance. Our course helps you master battery diagnostics, maintenance techniques, lifespan assessment, and the safe handling of UPS battery systems. Why it matters. In critical environments like hospitals, data centers, and facilities, downtime is not an option. Proper training ensures backup systems operate effectively when they're needed most. Who should attend? These courses are ideal for electrical engineers and electrical maintenance technicians who are responsible for specifying, maintaining, and operating emergency generators and UPS systems. Students earn CEU and Professional Development Hour credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital electrical handbooks and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Empower your team with the skills to keep systems running reliably. Explore our generators and UPS systems courses today and safeguard the heartbeat of your power infrastructure.